everybody, my name's Elena and today I'll be taking you on a video tour of Henry Gilman. We'll see the community room, fitness center, computer lab, laundry room, and then in part 2 of this video tour we'll see an apartment. So here we go. So right now I'm in the lobby. You can see where packages show up. This is the main entrance where the mailboxes are. Those are the elevators. And then we have the lobby area. We also have a leasing office here. This is my satellite office, so I come here a couple days a week. So I'm here for any questions that residents have, or if they just want to come down to say hi, that's always fun too. So now we're going to check out the community room. It's fob access, so only residents and people with fobs can use it. So just stepping into the community room here, this is the community area. So we do have a lounge, some tables, a TV with satellite back there. You can reserve that space for you and some guests. Doesn't cost anything, you just have to let us know. And then over here, we have the computer lab. So you can print for free, you just have to bring your own paper. We take care of the ink, so residents usually shoot me an email, let me know, I come replace it. And then back here, through these windows, we have a shared patio space. So we do put furniture out when the weather's nice. And then over here, we have the fitness center. It's currently closed right now, but it'll normally be 24 hours. It has recently been updated, so there are some newer machines in there and a good variety of machines in there as well. And then we do have some public restrooms, so if you are hanging out down here. We also have vending machines back there. We in our office call them Henry Gilman snacks. And then we're gonna head downstairs and check out the laundry room. So we're gonna head down to the basement. We do have a couple of parking options here. So we do have an underground garage as well as a surface lot. And then pricing for August is $175 for the surface lot and $205 for the underground garage. And then here we have the laundry room. So cool thing about the laundry room is that in addition to the rent, there's a facilities fee. It's $35 per person per month, and it covers water, sewer, and laundry use. So you won't need quarters or cards down here. They're just ready to go. And then we also have a laundry app so that you can check and see what machines are available, how much time is left on your dryer, all that kind of good stuff. And then over here, we do have the parking garage. So underground parking, and back there are the dumpsters. So even if you don't park with us, this is where you'll take your garbage out. Just don't forget your keys, you'll need them to get back in. And then I'm gonna move into part 2 of this video where we're gonna go upstairs and see an apartment. I'll see you in a minute.